Hey everybody, it's Kagan from Web Central, and today I'm just going to show you how to get the Palm Pre emulator with the Palm SDK and VirtualBox. It's basically just a developer's kit, but the emulator is kind of cool because you can just mess around with it and test the apps out on your computer. Okay, so first you need to open up your browser. And I'm going to put the link in the description, but I'm just going to Google it. If you don't feel like copying and pasting a link, you can just Google Palm SDK. And you'll see this. Hit download SDK. And you'll hit download SDK again. And you need to make sure you have the newest version of Java. And here's how you check which version you have. You go to command prompt and just type in, like it says here. Oh no, let's see. I don't feel like typing it, so I'm going to copy. Paste. And just hit enter. And it tells you everything you need to know. But I already have the highest version because I've done this before, so it tells you all that. And then you'll see where it says download VirtualBox, download Java, everything. So you need to hit download VirtualBox first. And make sure you remember where you save it, because, well, you really don't have to, because it comes up with this little icon on the screen right here. You see that? Okay. Well, remember where you save it, so I'm just going to save it in here, I guess. Save it like that. Now this takes a while, so I'm going to pause it and I'll come back. Okay, after you have the VirtualBox downloaded, it comes up on the screen somewhere if you want to do that. I think it does it automatically, but I don't know. And you need to install the SDK, and you this is just a second. You have to download the VirtualBox to have the emulator, or it won't work. Okay, now you're at the Palm SDK for Windows, and you need this to root your pre and just about everything else. And I'll show you how to do that in a future video. Still working on getting a lot of them up. Okay, you'll need to download SDK, and you need to make sure you pick the right bit size or it won't work. So I'm going to show you how to find which bit you have. If you have Vista or whatever, you need to hit start. Go to control panel and system and maintenance, and just hit system, and basically shows you everything about your whole computer. Shows Windows is activated. This is not my name, so don't worry. And under system, manufacturer, everything, it says I have a 32-bit operating system, so download the 32-bit. Now this takes a really long time, so I'm gonna pause it. Just remember where you save it. Now this is really important. You remember where you save it, because it sometimes doesn't show up on the desktop, but you can. But sometimes it still doesn't work. So just choose a name. I'll save it like that. I already have it there, so hit save. I'll be right back. Okay, then after you have everything, installed or whatever, you can verify it. You go to command prompt, and I don't feel like typing it, so I'm just going to copy and paste. Yeah, and then basically, I do not know what any of this means, but I'm working on learning it, so basically it just tells you that it works. So yeah, and that's how you install everything, and you can explore sample projects, build your first app tutorial, Palm WebOS. It just is pretty cool. It helps you develop apps. There's also a thing called Aries, which I'll show you in a video. It's just an online thing where you can look at the pre. I mean, it's it's kind of a developer thing, but it's more for style and everything. So be expecting videos in the future on how to root your Palm Pre, WebOS quick install, just everything you need to know. So this is Kegan for WebOS Central, and I am out.